Parishes here in the metro area will be affected. That includes St. Tammany Parish, and that parish is getting ready for Tropical Storm Cindy.
And Parish President Pat Brister joins us now live with more on storm preparations there. And I know not too much rain on the North Shore at this point, but what is the parish doing to get ready?
Well, we are very happy not to have had more rain than we've had. It will give us a little break to get more prepared for what may come later. We have opened our sandbag stations, 5 of them across the parish. As of now, we've given out about 8,000 bags of sand. We also have pumped down our detention ponds to make sure that they can receive as much rainwater as possible. We are just watching the river levels to make sure that they're not overly high that would prevent our drainage, which is gravity drainage, from draining our areas that need to go to those rivers. So we're prepared. We're sending out messages on our social media, making sure everyone has all the information that we have at this point.
And Ms. Brister, talk about some of the areas of the parish that are concerning for you versus, say, the western versus the eastern part of the parish, or what are the areas that are concerning right now?
Well, we actually have areas on both sides of the parish that are concerning. The ones on the east would be the ones that have flooded in the past, the Palm Lake area, Coindaleston area. In the west, there's a road already closed in Madisonville, which leads out to the old lighthouse, which goes underwater quite regularly. We have another road, Main Street, part of Main Street there in Madisonville. The lakefront we are concerned about in Mandeville, the lakefront where the water comes up there too. So we have concerns on both sides of the parish, and we're watching those to make sure we're there to close the roads off if the roads do get inundated, so there's not traffic going through there pushing water into the homes.
And what are the river levels like right now as this rain starts to come into the North Shore? Is that a concern?
Right now, it's not. We expect 1 to 3 feet of rise in surge from the rivers. We are monitoring that to make sure it doesn't go up. We do have a high tide coming up, but right now that's not our biggest concern. Our biggest concern it would be if we have more rain than is predicted at this point.
And Ms. Brister, just quickly here, just given what happened last year with all the flooding, how exhausting is this to go through this again, to go through all the preparations and brace for another storm?
Well, it certainly is tiring. Our staff is used to it. Our directors are on 24/7, and there's staff members that they need, the essential personnel. We know how to do this, unfortunately, because we've had a lot of experience, but we prepare all year long for emergencies like this and others. So we know what's expected, and we will do that.
All right, St. Tammany Parish President Pat Brister, I'm sure will be talking to you over the next few days. Thank you so much. And Kenner also held a meeting to update the city's emergency plan for tropical storms.